What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of DripMyWhip. We talking a little quiet today. SPC event, little meetup, and we just big chilling right now, getting everything ready. What's up, bro? How you doing? You know, you see the mask what we on. You see the mask what we on.
I'm in Miami right now.
Well, we actually are. No, we are in Miami. So shout out to Miami who came down here out of state, pulled permits for this spot we're pulling up to right now. SPC event. If you're not following StylePointz Club, you need to do that right now. We got people talking. I'm not gonna say who it is. We got a Pursuit. We got some Infinities, we got some Nissans. We got another Infinity over there. Got the IS300 and the Z. I think some more stuff's pulling up. But we're gonna cut right to the chase. We're gonna head to the spot right now. And we're gonna get it popping.
12 o'clock midnight.
We put up at the spot. Boys pulling up, boys pulling in. We getting active today.
Yep.
Little intermission. We letting engines cool down. We letting the smoke clear. We're gonna hop back in just a second.
Not no Cali.
I'm on Cali shit. I'm always on Cali shit. I can't even promise a piece.
It's that bump right there.
Let's stay over here then. That's just a car driving by, bro. You're good. All right, so next round is tandems, right? We're doing next round tandems. Tandem with you. Don't even try to say no. Tandem with you. What you tandem with?
Hey, somebody push my car.
Hey, no cap, the two G35s, G37s should pop in the pit together. Two G37s.
We'll go around the pool a couple times.
12 seconds later.
Big rollbacks.
that. That was fine. We're gonna regroup in just a second. But woo-wee. How was that?
That far from the pole? Sound like for the StylePointz shit, you know.
You almost died, sir.
Yo, for real.
Yo,
look, I was going like this. All I see him, and I'm just going like this.
Bro, I got it on the head strap.
You're like this to me, and I'm just like.
Bro,
I did a Carla part 2.
no cap. I was fine. Hey, bro, good shit though. Good shit.
Yeah, good shit, bro.
You were holding that. I was trying to chase you around.
I know. I was trying to get away.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You almost died. He's fine.
Car isn't running.
What the? And Tony's here? When did you get here, bro?
Who is Static Tony?
You just got here at the end of everything? Shout out to Miami for having us here, man. I really appreciate the city of Miami for actually pulling a permit.
The city looking beautiful out here, bro.
Well, because they weren't using that lot, so it took us a while to get the permit for it, but we finally got it, so that's cool.
Permit secured.
Yeah, I actually do want to go on the seal on water. We're going to the beach after this. What that means, I gotta end the vlog here. So, thank you for coming, for almost dying. Thank you for coming. I didn't even see you, but thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank that guy. He's got bars. He's got bars. You got bars?
Question mark. He actually has
You got bars?
in front of his car.
No, you do have. Never mind. He does have bars. Yeah, that's fine. So we ended the vlog here. I appreciate each one of y'all for coming out, and make sure to subscribe, because if y'all didn't do that, then we wouldn't be doing events like this. So
Subscribe.
hey yo, I will catch each one of y'all and everyone watching this on the next episode of DripMyWhip. Peace.